In the next and last video, we will do a small review of everything we've done. We will see a bit of each part of the whole process and some recommendations for the future. So I hope you enjoyed this process and see you in the last video. Well friends, welcome to the last video of our course, where we are going to do a recap of everything we have done and see what the next steps would be now that we have this new knowledge. So, first of all, let's talk about the whole process that we had with our character. We started by creating our character with very basic silhouettes, what we call blocking. Then we were detailing, polishing all this blocking, and adding details to all the pieces. Then we optimized the low poly model to be able to extract the UVs and be able to apply animations. Then we made the UVs as such to be able to project textures to our 3D model. Then we textured it using Blender's shader editor, all the while inside the PBR workflow framework, so we could use it in different engines. And finally, we made the final presentation in Marmoset.